This will be the Crazy Boosty Wear X, designed by Daniel Arsham. First, we can see a black Adidas box with Adidas logo on top and a size tag. This is footwear white, navy, and fire red. This retails in the Philippines for 9,000 pesos. It is a slide-in box. And now, look at the sneakers. Primarily has a prime-knit upper with a sock-like ankle collar, a leather pull tab at the back with a bright red arrow with navy blue hints, and at the front pull tab, it is light suede with the Adidas Performance and Originals logo. Here to the side, we see a suede lateral side with an extension of the shank plate. To the medial side, we can see another extension of the shank plate from the bottom, and lace ties which can resemble the Adidas three stripes. The laces that come with this pair is a regular Adidas round laces with red aglets. The Boosty Wear 10 has plastic surrounding the forefoot boost pods. So the Boosty Wear 10 offers a snug fit due to the ankle collar and the prime-knit construction. It has a high grip translucent rubber outsole which has the very distinctive Boosty Wear pods. At the forefoot to the midsole area, we can see a bright red translucent outsole with herringbone traction and a clear yellowish outsole with the logos of the Adidas Originals and Performance inside. And on the heel, we can see navy blue, footwear white, and bright red stripes under the translucent outsole. The Boosty Wear 10 insole also has a similar arrow with what is seen in the midfoot area in bright red. The forefoot area has a primarily prime-knit upper with a harder constructed prime-knit around the toe area. I haven't had a chance to wear this sneaker yet, but I will definitely show you guys if I try this sneaker on soon, but it definitely looks very comfortable. I have some pictures of the sneaker on my Instagram, so if you can follow me there at AACshua, that would be very nice. The Crazy Boosty Wear 10 is available on the Adidas online shop for 9,000 pesos with free shipping until the end of the month, and the pair released earlier in the Philippines than in the US. And once again, this is the Daniel Arsham Crazy Boosty Wear 10. Please drop your comments down below about what you think about the sneaker, whether you should buy it, and subscribe. Thank you.